Bill Clinton, dude.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Hey, Cleetus. Carhartt's got a sale? Yeah. Hey, how about them Thurgoods? They on sale ever? Oh, no, man. You gotta pay full price, right?
You can't put quality on sale, I'll tell you what, man. What about Red Wings? Your what hurts?
Your what hurts?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brendan from Bart's Automotive and Towing, and you're watching The Life of Bat. It seems like every second of the day, it's either something political.
You are fake news.
Or something crazy going on in the world.
I had a little low-grade fever.
Uh-oh.
The murder hornet.
So I just wanted to give you guys something to take your mind off that. Hopefully give you some motivation to keep working on your cars. Today's video, we're heading out to see my good friends Nick, Cyle, and Peter the Greek from Explosive Kustomz.
I'm not Polish, moron.
You guys got the funny little shoes too, right? The little balls, yeah.
They're working on Kyle's 41 Cadillac. He got this thing back in early December, and right away he started working on it. I think it was even the first night he got it off the trailer. Him and his buddy started pulling fenders, stripping the paint down.
Stripping the paint.
Stripping the paint?
And just getting after it. He stripped the frame down to bare metal, painted it. Then they got that up on the frame table. They started fabbing up the suspension and the front. They used the stock control arms. They fabbed in a plate so that way they could use the airbag in front. And the rear, they took out the old leaf springs, fabbed up in-house control arms, made the plates in-house for the airbags, welded that in, did all this in-house. And then on top of it, to just raise the bar even more, I came over one day and he's like, we decided we're going to do suicide doors. We're going to do custom suicide doors. I'm like, what?
What? What? What?
In this video, Nick is fabbing up the driver's side suicide doors. And one of the coolest things about it is they took the stock hardware and they made it work. They took the hinges off the B pillar and then fabbed them into the C pillar. I mean, that's cool, guys. But yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys when we get to Explosive.
I think that's Dan in there. He owns Lawless Peterbilt. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but go check him out. Here's another one of Kyle's bag projects. His Dakota. He built this thing super quick, just like the Caddy. Once again, all custom made. Any kind of custom work you need done, these guys do it. So make sure to go check them out. But here we are. Peter! Hi, Peter. This thing's coming along, man. So, last time I was here, you were doing the suicide doors.
We only got one done.
Still, though, dude, this thing is, from what it started out as, you know? What? That is crazy, dude. That is so dope.
We still gotta structure it all up.
Yeah. That's a 5.3, right? 5.3. Hey, Peter! Would you shut the hell up for a minute, huh? Jeez. Huh? Would you shut up for a minute? What's going on, dude?
What's up? Stripping the paint.
Stripping the paint?
Making it nice and smooth. Doing quite fine.
Quite fine. Loving it, dude.
Remember that one day doing the weld?
Yeah, I remember that, yeah.
Came back.
Woo, doggy. That's awesome.
One suicide door, we got the other one next.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Once again.
Peter, you hiding in there, Peter?
Somebody wanna let me out?
I got your clock radio.
I got your clock radio. Clock radio?
Your clock radio.
Looks good, take it. Looks good, take it.
Good.
Let me get fancy glasses.
It's so hot. It's so hot.
I'd like to thank Cyle from Garage Squad for the bikes. Because, you know, hooked it up, buddy.
When the first thing I like to do is just look at it.
Yeah. Well, would you look at that?
Gosh, just look at it.
It says not to step there, though, so make sure you don't.
Oh, I'm just trying to figure out if I got this plate right to the other side. We're just winging it.
Wanging it?
Just kind of.
That's what that's for, is wanging it?
Just wanging it.
I like it.
Just wanging it. Just wanging it.
Just wanging it.
It's a wang it flying.
Wang it.
Just wanging it.
Wanging it. Wanging it. Hold 1 and 5, yeah. That's the bottom one?
This will be the bottom hinge.
The bottom? The bottom.
After we break apart, get all this old metal casing off of there.
Oh, just like that?
Just like it.
Just like that?
There was a instruction manual, you know, for suicide in the rear doors on a 41 Cadillac using all the stock hardware.
Really?
I lost it, so I'm just starting
Just
over.
winging it?
Yeah, I'm winging it.
Just wanging it. So is that what happens when you forget the rule book for doing suicide doors on a 41 Caddy? You got to just kind of wing it?
Pretty much it, man, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a limited run book. I read the back cover. You know,
Photographic
like,
memory.
Yeah.
I got it.
It was one of those things that said, hey, this is a book about how to do suicide doors with all, you know, on your 41 Cadillac. You know, and I was like, oh, and it was actually written in 1939.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah.
Wow, they were thinking ahead.
Yeah.
It's all about the clock radio behind over there.
Ah, yeah.
So we got So we got something to tread into.
Something to tread in.
Tread into. It's gonna be real nice, real slick.
For your information.
Once again.
It's in, dude.
That's what she said.
Come on.
Airlift.
And then there was life.
Yeah. All right, hold up.
Heyo.
Hold up.
This body.
Once again.
So in theory,
In theory.
just boys, right here. You got pressure. Breathe, yeah, breathe pressure on that right there. We'll let that go to like 100.
100. Peter.
Oh shit.
You got your second one ready? So you just need like 5 more of these.
Yeah. Thanks, dude.
No problem, Cleetus.
Hey, where are you hiding Leroy these days?
He lowered it. He made Leroy even cooler.
Grab me that quick patty.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it's only at once.
I can't believe it's not butter. Stick around, more Family Guy coming. Once again.
Much later.
Is that now, 2?
Much later.
We getting out, 2? 1. Ah, yeah.
Much later.
23. We won't even try it till it's like around 100.
One eternity later.
Yeah, do it. Do it again.
Sometimes my Cadillac goes up.
Sometimes it goes down.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for us today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a big favor. Give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Don't forget to ring that bell. I really love this Cadillac. I think it's a really cool build. I can't wait to see when Cyle gets done with it. Right now, the entire project is on hold. They have a lot of customer cars they're trying to get done. Stay tuned though. I know he is looking to chop the top. I'll talk about it a little bit more in the next video, but I hope you guys are ready for next week. We head to World of Wheels. Obviously, the entire point of today's video was to get the car ready for World of Wheels. For anyone that doesn't know what World of Wheels is all about here in Chicago, I can't wait to kind of show you guys. My father had such a good time, so I hope you guys are ready for next week. I'm super excited. It was like one of the last things my father and I got to do before this whole pandemic crap started. So, but you know, I hope today's video inspired you guys. Keep working on your builds. I do have a pretty big video planned for you, hopefully Thursday or Friday about the Dart, kind of giving you an update about everything going on, sponsors, parts, you know, where the build's going. Just a big surprise I got from my dad, so stay tuned for that. Another cool thing coming to the channel, we're buying another shop. Like I said, got some announcements for the Dart. For anyone that's new to the channel and you want to get to know my father and I more, if you've never seen my father's dream video, leave it down in the description below. I'll title it. I'll leave it right at the top of the description saying, new to the channel, watch this. And I'll leave the link down there if you haven't seen that video yet. So, ton of cool stuff happening pretty soon, guys. So I hope you're ready. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.